Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 LDV T60, stock number 6257. This ran from the 7th 2017 to the 8th 2021. It has an SK8C 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a SK8C 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate has some scratches and a dent in the left hand corner. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mega tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,